Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Sorry I haven't uploaded in a while. As lockdown's been easing, I've been trying to go out as much as possible, which I never do. So yeah, that's been a bit of a change. I've made a little bit of progress on the game, not a great deal. I've just added more artwork to it and changed the spikes and actually made them work. And I've also added animated slime and some bones bobbing up and down in the water, which looks pretty cool. And like these foreground elements I've added as well, like I can hide behind these rocks, and there is a tree over here that you can walk through. You can just peer through it all menacingly, and yeah, it just adds a little bit of depth to the game. Oh yeah, and my heart, I need to explain that as well. I've attempted to do some things that have gone completely wrong and have messed up the game a little bit, but they're in the works and getting fixed. But I've been asking a lot of people and trying to get it done, but it just doesn't seem to be working how I want it to work. But anyway, let's show you what I've done so far. So the spikes and the slime. So as you get near to the spikes, they fall and they break into loads of bits. They collide with the ground and break up, and they also collide with the player and break up. What I wanted to do was when the spike hits the player, his heart dims down. As you can see, this is what happens with my heart when I jump and collide with stuff. It like starts to dim down, which I wanted to do when it hits the spike, but the coding is just completely messed up and it just doesn't work properly. But you can see what I'm trying to go for. That's what we were attempting to do. So all of that will like work with the health system, and yeah. Moving on to the slime and stuff. This is the animated slime I've done. The animation is a bit off. It's not the best, as you can see, but I've added like some bones in there that like gently bob up and down. Strongly indicates to the player that if you go in that slime, you're gonna die pretty much. I'm yet to add anything to these spikes, the purple ones, because I want to make it so the player takes damage over time. But I don't know how that's going to work with my health system with the heart dimming down every time it takes damage. I might change them just to instant death ones maybe, or something like that. Actually, let's zoom out here and show you pretty much what I've done completely throughout the whole level. So yeah, as you can see, it looks a lot better now with like the actual animated slime and everything now. So yeah, that's pretty much the all the levels so far now. But yeah, sorry this video was so short. I'm definitely going to upload some new content soon. Next video is probably going to be a remake of a game, which I've already started. It's a complete remake. It's like taking a game and just completely changing it. So yeah, it's just to put it in the title pretty much. So yeah, you'll find out what that is soon, hopefully. If you want to join the Discord, the link will be in the description. And if you want to follow my TikTok, that will be in the description. I upload a lot more on there. Just little videos here and there. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Sorry for the short video. I'm going to upload better stuff soon, hopefully. And yeah, hope you enjoyed anyway. I'll see you in the next one.